Creative Memories standalone border punches allow you to create a continuous 12-inch border. To use the border punch, insert your paper so the far edge lines up with the small black marking on the front of the punch. Making sure the paper is pushed to the back of the punch, press down on the top lever to cut the first section of your border. To cut the next section of your border, move the section you've just punched to line up with the pattern on the punch tray and punch again. Continue along the length of the paper. Visit our website to see our other border punches available.